The tools you'll need will be a 3/4 inch deep socket, the Freewheel removal tool, a large adjustable wrench, tubing for extra leverage, and a sturdy vise, maybe an angle grinder with a cutoff disc. Find it helpful to modify the socket by removing the very end to get rid of this short angled section. Start by removing the axle nuts. Then you'll hold the jam nuts on the rear cog side. Break loose the outer jam nut on the freewheel side and then the inner long nut and remove them and set aside to reuse. Then you'll use your freewheel removal tool and clamp it tightly in the vise. Using a large wrench and a cheater bar for extra leverage and a lot of force, just break loose the freewheel to unscrew it. You may need extra leverage to prevent the vise from moving, like you see me using here. Simply unscrew and your freewheel is off. Removing the rear cog is done much the same way, but we'll modify it to make it easy to hold in the vise. Then again, with a lot of leverage and a lot of force, the rear cog should come loose and unscrew. Then your drive hub will be ready for further rebuilding with new bearings and axle if necessary, or simply install new gears and reassemble.